it is good for us to go with rides with go on riding with dogs and having fun with them, playing with them. It's good for our feeling. We feel good. We should give it to eat. They eat it fast. We should go them and take them to go out. Then we should also play with them. Because if you try to keep your sister in a room for 1 hour and your dog for 1 hour in a room, it's the dog who will wait for you till 1 hour, but your sister will be asleep. Take good care of dogs. Give them food, go out with them, and just have fun.